Are you tired of feeling crippled after workouts? This pain can actually slow down recovery, ruin consistency, and even damage muscle tissue. Let's uncover the real science and stop the soreness for good. Welcome to Levitas. Do you think muscle soreness is a sign of a good workout or just unnecessary pain? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. It helps with the algorithm and more people to train smarter. Why muscle soreness happens? Muscle soreness, known as DOMS, or delayed onset muscle soreness, usually appears 24 to 72 hours after a tough workout. It happens because tiny microscopic tears occur in your muscle fibers during exercise, especially after eccentric movements like lowering weights or running downhill. Your body sees this as an injury and starts an inflammatory response. According to a 2020 review in the Journal of Applied Physiology, this inflammation leads to swelling, stiffness, and the familiar painful sensation. But here's the surprising part. Soreness doesn't equal muscle growth. You can build muscle with little soreness, and being sore doesn't mean you had an effective workout. In fact, chronic DOMS can slow your training frequency, weaken your performance, and increase risk of injury. The real goal is to recover faster so you can train consistently. Understanding the cause is step one. Next, we'll cover science-backed strategies to reduce soreness, from proven recovery methods to specific nutrients that speed up healing and support muscle repair. These tips are practical, evidence-based, and designed to get you back in the gym pain-free. 1. The Rice Method. One of the most classic ways to treat muscle soreness is the Rice Method, meaning rest, ice, compression, and elevation. According to a 2021 paper in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, this approach works best in the first 24 to 48 hours after intense exercise. Rest gives your muscles time to repair microscopic tears and rebuild stronger. Ice reduces swelling and pain by slowing blood flow to the area. Just 15 minutes every hour can make a big difference. Compression, such as using compression sleeves, helps reduce inflammation and improves circulation. Finally, elevation assists fluid drainage and minimizes stiffness. Some experts now suggest the updated police method, meaning protection, optimal loading, ice, compression, and elevation, because gentle movement can actually improve recovery speed compared to full rest. Light stretching or walking can stimulate blood flow, which brings in more nutrients to heal muscle tissue. Bottom line is using rice or police right after a tough workout is one of the fastest ways to reduce soreness and support muscle repair. 2. Creatine. Creatine isn't just for strength, it's a powerful recovery aid. Studies published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research show that creatine monohydrate reduces muscle damage markers like creatine kinase after intense workouts. It works by increasing ATP availability, your body's quick energy source. More ATP means your muscles can repair faster, perform better, and experience less post-exercise pain. Creatine also helps with cell hydration, which can reduce the feeling of tight, stiff muscles after training. Taking 3 to 5 grams daily is enough for most people. This isn't a stimulant, so it's safe for long-term use and has been studied extensively. If you want to bounce back faster after hard sessions, creatine is one of the most research-backed and safest supplements available. 3. Active recovery. Instead of sitting still, active recovery like light cardio, yoga, or stretching can dramatically reduce DOMS. Research in Frontiers in Physiology shows that even 10 to 15 minutes of low-intensity activity improves blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to sore muscles while removing waste products like lactic acid. This doesn't mean you need another workout. Simple activities such as walking, cycling at low intensity, or foam rolling can break up muscle tightness and improve range of motion. This is especially helpful 24 hours after an intense workout when soreness peaks. Make active recovery part of your weekly routine. It keeps you consistent, helps you feel less stiff, and prepares your muscles for your next training session. 4. Epsom salt bath. An Epsom salt bath is an age-old remedy that still works. Epsom salts are made of magnesium sulfate, which can be absorbed through the skin, reducing inflammation and muscle tension. A 20-minute soak can improve circulation and promote relaxation, lowering cortisol levels that slow recovery. This is a simple, inexpensive strategy to calm your muscles, reduce soreness, and improve sleep quality, which is when most muscle repair happens. 5. Magnesium glycinate. Magnesium glycinate is one of the most bioavailable forms of magnesium, a key mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that magnesium deficiency is linked to higher muscle cramps and slower recovery. Magnesium helps relax muscles, supports protein synthesis, and reduces nerve excitability that contributes to soreness. Taking 200 to 400 milligrams before bed can improve sleep and enhance overnight muscle repair. 6. Essential amino acids. Essential amino acids, also known as EAAs, provide the raw materials your muscles need to rebuild. Unlike BCAAs, which only contain 3 amino acids, essential amino acids include all 9 that your body can't make on its own. A randomized controlled trial in nutrients found that essential amino acids taken post-workout reduced muscle soreness and improved muscle protein synthesis. A dose of 10 to 15 grams right after training is ideal. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, and specifically its popular active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory. Multiple studies show it reduces levels of C-reactive protein and cytokines that drive muscle pain. Taking 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin, mixed with black pepper for improved absorption, daily can significantly reduce post-exercise soreness and improve joint health. 8. Tart cherry. Tart cherry juice is loaded with anthocyanins, which are natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. A 2020 meta-analysis in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports confirmed that tart cherry supplementation reduces DOMS and improves strength recovery. Drink 8 to 12 ounces of tart cherry juice after or during hard workouts, or before bed to boost muscle repair and even improve sleep quality. 9. Sodium and potassium. Electrolytes like sodium and potassium are crucial for muscle contraction and nerve function. Low levels can worsen cramping and delay recovery. Adding an electrolyte drink post-workout restores fluid balance and prevents muscle stiffness. Potassium-rich foods like avocados or spinach and a pinch of quality salt can make a big difference in how you feel the next day. 10. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, reduce inflammation and improve muscle cell membrane fluidity. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that 2 to 3 grams of omega-3s daily reduced muscle soreness after strength training. This is a great addition to your recovery stack, supporting joint health and reducing systemic inflammation. 11. Vitamin D. Low vitamin D levels are linked to increased muscle weakness and slower recovery. According to research in nutrients, vitamin D supports muscle protein synthesis, improves immune function, and helps regulate calcium for proper muscle contraction. Aim for optimal levels through sunlight or a 2,000 to 5,000 international units supplement, especially if you train indoors or live in low sunlight areas. Remember to mix it with an MK7 vitamin K2 supplement too. In conclusion, severe muscle soreness is not a requirement for growth. It is a sign of significant muscle damage and inflammation that can hinder recovery and training consistency. Implementing strategic recovery protocols like the RICE method and active recovery is crucial for reducing inflammation and promoting blood flow. Furthermore, key nutrients such as creatine, essential amino acids, and magnesium glycinate provide the raw materials for accelerated muscle repair. Anti-inflammatory compounds like turmeric and tart cherry directly combat soreness, while optimal electrolyte and vitamin D levels ensure proper neuromuscular function. A comprehensive recovery strategy is the true foundation of continuous progress and peak performance. Watch this video suggestion. It was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.